Yo everybody, this is Rocco the Great, aka the Toy Bookie. And in today's video, why did it get so dark? In today's video, we are at the flea market. It is super early, I am super cold. It is a Thursday morning, and I drove like 40-50 minutes to this flea market. But you know what? Alright everybody, so this is what I got today. I am so happy. I wasn't expecting to get all this stuff today. There was an item that I passed on that I shouldn't have passed on. But you know what? Let's keep that in the past because I did get some awesome stuff right here. So my first haul of the day was, you just heard my knees crack. The first haul of the day was this little lot right here. The guy wanted $3 each figure. And I somehow got him down to $10 for this whole section right here. He's worth around like $60, $50. He's supposed to have a hat. He doesn't have the hat, but other than that, once I clean him up, he'll be in pretty good condition. So really happy there. These little guys are going in my Dragon Ball display case that I have. Even with Cell Jr., he's gonna go in there also. And then Gambit. Someone put like a tactical vest on. I think this is from the Splinter Cell figure, but it actually looks kind of cool. I mean, growing up, who didn't love Gambit, you know what I mean? So I might keep him also, even though Hasbro's making a newer Gambit that looks pretty sick. And then, I can't go wrong with Harry Potter figures. I got another troll. This seller also had the Centaur from Harry Potter and Hagrid from Harry Potter, but I already have two Hagrids and I had a Centaur, and he was asking a little bit more than I wanted to pay at the time. Those are figures I usually find for like $1, so I passed up on the rest, but I got another troll because the troll is awesome and he scales pretty well with the Figuarts Harry Potter figures. Alright, so this is the bag I got. They are dead stock with the tag still on it. I'm gonna get that off with a little bit of magic eraser. But very cool. I can't pass up Pokemon stuff, especially old dead stock stuff. This is from 2000, so I bought 2 of them. I got them down to 5 each, so I paid 5 each when he was originally charging 10 each. I tried to get all 3 of them. There were 3 the guys had, and I wanted all 3 of them for $10, but he wouldn't budge. And I got him down to say 15 for 3 of them. He said $5 each, so I took him up on his offer, and I got just 2 of them for $5. The other one was dead stock, but it had the tags on it, but it was like messed up, so I just passed on it. I got these for $5 each. Very cool. This old Pokemon stuff with the tag on it is always cool for me to get. I just love it. Then this is a very cool, an odd little item that I picked up from this, actually the same guy, but a separate time, for $3. Again, that is a little bit more than I like to pay for stuff. This is an expensive flea market, at least for me. I have a few cheap ones that I go to that I think I'm a little spoiled, but I don't like paying $3 for things. But this was $3. I didn't look it up or anything, but I'm sure this old Nintendo stuff is always collectible to somebody. So, and plus I love N64, so it just was a cool pickup with that. And then these guys, what a trip down memory lane. Gigapets, Tamagotchi, and this one I don't know, but it looked kind of familiar. Dinky Dino. I got all 3 of these for $1 each. So nice. Look at that. $1 each on these. I'm sure these can go for at least 20 each. Hopefully. I'm hoping. Hopefully way more than that, but at least 20. So $1 each. Not bad at all. And then, last but certainly not least, these guys, I just threw them in because when I buy stuff, I always try and bundle things to get the guy's price down. But here is the star of this lot. This is the Spider-Hulk from the Classics line, the old Toy Biz Classics line. If you're a toy collector, you know about this figure. So cool. Oh, his torso's turned around. I have to I'm not messing around with him right now. But I paid $6 for all 3 of these guys, which means I spent $2 on the Spider-Hulk. And believe it or not, this is my second Spider-Hulk found at the flea market. I got another one last year, I believe. Very cool. This was the day I started recording once I found him, because then the day turned around. But you know, can't go wrong with the Captain America and Jericho also. But $2 for a Spider-Hulk. He's a little damaged, but if you're into this, if you're collecting, it doesn't matter. This is a cool find. So overall, this is very small for a haul, but it's a Thursday haul, and I'm super stoked about it. I got Pokemon stuff, I got cool Tamagotchis, I got Spider-Hulk. So thank you guys for watching. That was this video. Look forward this summer. I always say it, but this summer, my hauls are crazy. If you go back to my older videos and look at some of my videos from a few years ago, I've been doing these haul videos for a while. My hauls used to be crazy, but now everyone knows about video games, so I barely find any video games. But still, you could always find loose figures, because the loose figures, you have to know what the figure is when you're selling it. So that's why I could always count on loose figures to pick up at the flea market. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay great. Hope you enjoyed this video. My toe's in this. I'm taking the toe out of it. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on both my Instagrams if you like art, at Rocco the Great. And if you like toy photography or toys or the hobby, follow me at the Toy Bookie. And hope you guys are subscribing, hitting the like bell. Leave a comment down below. The more activity on these videos, then they push them to other people on their YouTube pages, like their front page. So I've been seeing my statistics, and my videos are getting pushed recently. So keep liking them, keep commenting, and keep watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, I'm out of here. I just drank 2 cups of coffee. I am like through the roof, and I'm very happy. Stay great. We're out of here. Great haul for a Thursday. Peace!